हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम यू ऑल इन दिस वीडियो। आई होप आप लोगों की तैयारी अच्छी चल रही होगी। और मैं आज ये मेगा लाइव टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट करने जा रही हूँ। मे बी बस ओनली वन सेक्शन अटेम्प्ट करूँ। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं और देखते हैं कि कैसा लेवल रहने वाला है। ओह, सेक्शन 2। ओके, चलो यही कर लेते हैं। इनडायरेक्ट इसमें बताना है 80 rupees are too much for this leather bag which is looking so old. Okay, R I think. Loth antonym detest admire. यहाँ पर loth detest where is the here it is. टच नहीं हो रहा, हो गया। detest detest admire abhor despise। अगर इसको देखा जाए पॉजिटिव वाले को, पॉजिटिव वाला हमारा आंसर हो सकता है लॉथ। मुझे इसका मीनिंग नहीं मालूम था। हर फ्रेंड्स हाउस इज क्लोज टू द ग्रामेटिकल एरर। हर फ्रेंड्स हाउस इज क्लोज टू द हाई स्कूल वेयर सारथी टीचर्स। सारथी टीचर्स ठीक है यहाँ पर तो, लेकिन यहाँ पर हर फ्रेंड्स प्लूरल है तो यहाँ पर इसकी जगह हर फ्रेंड्स हाउस अगर तो यहाँ पर अपोस्ट्रॉफी आना चाहिए। द न्यू एम्प्लॉई सेड दैट ही वॉज डैश ऑफ डूइंग द जॉब वेल। ही वॉज कॉन्फिडेंट एफिशिएंट sufficient of doing the job well. The new employee said that he was confident of doing the test, confident, efficient, sufficient of doing the job well, efficient of doing the job. Sufficient means पर्याप्त. The new employee said that he was sufficient. वह पर्याप्त है वो जॉब को अच्छे से करने के लिए। एफिशिएंट है यानी कि कुशल है। मुझे कुशल ज़्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट लग रहा है। मैकबेथ वॉज डिसीव्ड, तो वाज है तो यहाँ पर डिसीव्ड हैड नहीं आना चाहिए। यहाँ से एलिमिनेट करते हैं तो ये नहीं हो सकता। यहाँ पर बाय द एंटिसिंग वर्ड्स तो द ठीक है, ये हैड डिसीव्ड ये चीज़ नहीं होना चाहिए। मैकबेथ द थ्री विच इज़ डिसीव्ड मैकबेथ बाय देयर एंटिटी ये हो सकता है। Overexposure to the sun while sunbathing not only results in sunburns but also causes premature aging. Overexposure to the sun while for sunbathing as sunbathing ever sunbathing. Blow a fuse यानी कि confuse, to feel tired, to feel sick, to work hard aimlessly. Blow a fuse, to act very angrily. Fuse aimlessly I think. Confuse, fuse, confuse. ABC elimination. Let's she began. she किसके लिए यूज़ हुआ है, कौन है she? As the girl gave up after household work she would sleep among the cinders, which earned her nickname Cinderella. She would sleep among cinders. As the new girl grew up she became prettier and the prettier she became the more sisters hated her. She began to be treated worse than any servant. She was compelled to eat scraps of leftovers. Cinderella. So Cinderella is a girl. B. AC. As the girl grew up she became, तो यहाँ पर she यहाँ से पता चल पा रहा है कि हाँ। उसके बाद हाँ यहाँ पर कुछ अजीब लग रहा है, इसको पढ़ के देखते हैं। आफ्टर हाउस होल्ड वर्क शी वुड स्लीप among Cinderella, her nickname grew prettier left over. Any servant यानी she began to worse than any servant. She was compelled AD, यहाँ पर AD ज़्यादा सुटेबल हो रहा है। AD यहाँ पर ADC she was compelled to eat scraps as the girl grew up prettier she become। यहाँ पर तो पता नहीं चल रहा, लेकिन यहाँ पर पता चल रहा है कि सिंड्रेला की बात हो रही है। और सी तो यहाँ पे भी नहीं आएगा। ए शी बिगेन टू बी वर्स्ट तो यहाँ पे भी नहीं, यही सही है, यही सही लग रहा है। चलो Karan looked everywhere for the pen drive but couldn't find it. Looked यहाँ पर past हो रहा है तो यहाँ पे भी past होना चाहिए. Looked everywhere for the pen drive but could not found नहीं आना चाहिए, finding नहीं आना चाहिए, but could not find यही सही है. No substitute. A person who is excessively conceited and self absorbed, ego cheaper, fraud, egoist बोल सकते हैं. PQSR नहीं है यहाँ पर. At a time in the season, polar bear in the Arctic polar bear यहाँ से करते हैं, एलिमिनेट करेंगे तो सही रहेगा. PP polar bears in the Arctic when they should be gaining it किसके लिए, at a time in the season are losing weight. Polar bears in the Arctic are losing weight at a time in the season when they should be gaining it. कंपेटेंट है, कंपेटेंट, कंपेरेबल, कंफर्टेबल, कैपेबल, कंपेटेबल, कैपेबल. यहाँ पर क्षमता, कंपेटेंट, कंपेटेबल, ये ज़्यादातर कंप्यूटर के से रिलेटेड लग रहा है वर्ड. वी विल है तो विल यहाँ पर बी आ जाएगा विल के साथ. आई कुड हैव चूजन माई वर्ड्स बेटर. माई वर्ड्स यहाँ पर could have been chosen better. Editing involves dash and correction with an intention to produce accurate work. Editing involves modification, modulation, habitation, fortification, modification. Amit said to the gardener that did है तो did के लिए that if he had found the ring, क्योंकि that यहाँ पर नहीं आना चाहिए. Radical, it's a radical. Synonyms, conservative. Sahil said, where will I be this time next year? Sahil asked नहीं, Sahil wondered where he would be that time the following year. Sahil said, wondered, worried he would be that time the next year, the following year. Asked नहीं कर रहा इसलिए वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Unless you don't work hard you will win. Unless you work hard you will fail. Unless you work hard you will fail. Collect those flowers. Those flowers were collected. Let those flowers be collected by you. Let those flowers be collected by you. Collect present है यहाँ पे तो ये past है. यहाँ those flowers be collected by you. Let them collect those flowers. Let those flowers be collected by you. them किसके लिए यूज़ हो रहा है. चलो ये वाला देखते हैं. Words carved on a stone or monument. Prescription, transcription, subscription. Carved stone or monument. Prescription तो नहीं, prescribe डॉक्टर करते हैं. Inscription. When you give away a secret or an advantage, you reveal a secret or suspension that you should have kept to yourself. Most substitute, dereliction, revolution, benediction, information. When you reveal a secret, information, revolution नहीं, that you should have kept to yourself. I think dereliction. She asked me when I had my dinner. When ठीक है, had है तो when did you have your dinner? When you had your dinner. When यहाँ पर हेल्पिंग वर्ब आगे आना चाहिए, सब्जेक्ट के आगे आना चाहिए, नहीं है तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. डू नहीं आएगा. Hmm. Comparison between things that have similar features. Description, analogy, contrast, resemblance. Comparison किया जा रहा है. Contrast, analogy, analogy. Resemble तो पॉजिटिव हो जा रहा है, कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट ऑपोजिट. डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं, एनालॉजी. ए बी डी सी नहीं है. वंस अ वीक प्रथम लीड ही ना द एलिफेंट डाउन टू रिवर. द एलिफेंट न्यू इट वॉज टाइम टू रिटर्न. तो डी तो नहीं. ए आफ्टर इंस्पेक्शन द टू वुड स्टैंड अप. वंस प्रथम एलिफेंट डाउन टू रिवर. ठीक है, यही होगा. इट्स अ स्टोरी लाइक. Connecting is very easy. According to passage statement, correct. Latin culture influenced by African culture is particularly strong in Brazil and in Caribbean nation. Day of Dead holiday. Dead holiday was brought by Mexican immigrant in the U.S. Holiday celebrated in which month? Suitable title. Colonized by which place? Colonized by Spain, Portugal in 15th century. Widespread opposite. Extensive sweeping limited. What does puzzling mean in the context? Puzzle, puzzling, creating puzzle, thinking, causing confusion. Puzzling I think. ये दूसरा स्टार्ट हो गया, पहले वाले को पूरा करते हैं. द geographic region encompassing Latin culture is widespread. Latin America is typically defined as those parts of Central America, South America and Mexico where Spanish or Portugal are the dominant languages. अच्छा, Portugal and Spanish. These are all places that were colonized by or influenced by Spain and Portugal starting in the 1400s. Originally, French geographers used the term Latin America to differentiate between Anglo and Romance Latin-based language. According to the University of Texas, Latin cultures are thus incredibly diverse. Are many blend indigenous traditions with the Spanish language and Catholicism brought by Spanish and Portugal colonizer. Many of these cultures were also influenced by African cultures due to enslaved Africans being brought to the Americas starting in the 1600s. These influences are particularly strong in Brazil and Caribbean nations. Latin culture influenced by African, particularly strong in Brazil and Caribbean. African cultures, Latin. ठीक है, ये वाला तो हमें करेक्ट बताना था. डेड हॉलीडे. Latin culture continues to evolve and spread. A good example in Dia de los Muertos or Day of the Dead, a holiday dedicated to remembering the departed that is celebrated on November 1st. And November 2nd, Day of the Dead state dates back to before Christopher Columbus landed in North America, but was moved to its current celebration date by Spanish colonizers who merged it with the Catholic All Saints Day. Mexican immigrants to the US brought the holiday with them. Day of the Dead holiday was brought by Mexican immigrant in the US. Mexican immigrants moved current celebration day by Spanish colonizers who merged it All Saints Day. Mexican to the US brought holiday with them. Yes, and 1970 artist who merged it with Catholic All Saints Day. Mexican, but was moved to its current celebration back to before Christopher. Its current celebration date by Spanish colonizer who merged it with Catholic All Saints Day. Mexican immigrants to the U.S. brought the holiday with them, and in 1970s, artists and activists brought focus to Dia de Muertos as a way of celebrating their Chicano Mexican American heritage. According to the Smithsonian American Art Museum, the holiday is now well known in the US. US. Yes. Day of November, which tackle Catholicism, diversity, Latin culture. What is culture? Evolution of Latin culture. Place colonized by Spain and Portugal, South America, Denmark, Eastern America, Western America, Central America. 15th. Caribbean nations, Central America, Western America, Eastern America. डेनमार्क का तो कहीं पे भी नामो निशान नहीं है, तो ये कैंसिल। मेक्सिको है 15 सेंचुरी में, ये ऊपर यहाँ पे लिखा हो, ये तो लिखा है सेंट्रल अमेरिका, सेंट्रल अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका, मेक्सिको। डोमिनेंट लैंग्वेज कॉलोनाइज किया था, ये हो गया। पजलिंग, कॉजिंग कंफ्यूजन, क्रिएटिंग पजल्स नहीं। Alexander Thom's perception of the Stonehenge was that it is a क्या, बस इतना ही है। Stonehenge, पूरा क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं। Today the Stonehenge is this passage talks about, ये दूसरा आ जाएगा फिर। Stonehenge is a prehistoric monument in England. It consists of a ring of standing stones, and archaeologists believe that it was constructed from 3000 BC to 2000 BC. Ever wondered why the Stonehenge was built? People have been puzzling over this for hundreds of years. They have come up with various answers, some of which are quite wild. Some people think that the Stonehenge was once a cattle pen, a palace, or an altar for human sacrifice. Others believe it to have been the foundations for the tents of the great Roman Emperor Julius Caesar. To the Today's explanation for the Stonehenge, and the most popular ones, are from science and math. There was once a man named Alexander Thom who spent many years working on the Stonehenge and other stone structures. According to him, the Stonehenge is a sort of a solid math problem. He believes that the people of the past would have used this to find out measurements of triangle and other shapes. Scientific discovery, short of solid math problem, substantive sort of uh, according to this chick. Today's Stonehenge is tent, altar, palace, prehistoric monument. Today was an cattle cattle pen, palace, palace. यहाँ पर देखो वॉज है, यहाँ पर वॉज है तो पैलेस है, तो आई थिंक नॉट। ऑल्टर भी है यहाँ पर, एंड ह्यूमन सेक्रीफाइस फॉर प्रीहिस्टोरिक मोन्यूमेंट। दे हैव stone, other stones, who spent many years working stone structure. So structure is a sort of math problem. Stone structure, ये ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल। This passage talks about Alexander Thom's Stonehenge as an altar of human measure triangles. Why Stonehenge was built? ये which not true Carib Indians. According Carib Indians are finally defeated by, one can infer from slang word meaning strife, chief, war, cannibal, duty free. I think strife. Present day Saint Martin. दूसरा, science is all about details, precision, accuracy, and it is dash 99% perspiration, and it is indeed. The beauty and joy is in doing science lies in those rare moments when the pieces of a puzzle magically come together. To adapt from Shelley, the shadow indeed becomes more important than. I suppose one could put some of this together and disseminate a simplified, sanitized version to the public, but in the end, science is a dash individualistic personal affair. Science is a highly. Most honest scientists will tell you that they are ever so grateful that they are dashed by their governments to do something that they would have done anyhow for free. They are ever so grateful that they are being paid. ये वाला पढ़ते हैं. The crystal clear blue water and the magnificent sun make the Caribbean island of Saint Martin a favorite vacation spot, one that is popular with North Americans during their winter holidays from December through March, as well as with the South Americans and Europeans from April through August. The French and Dutch settled on the island in the 1600s, and to this day the island is divided between the two of them. The French capital is Marigot, the Dutch capital is Philipsburg. I can see this. Not true about Caribbean Indians. Tourists soon discover that Saint Martin has an intriguing history. Ancient artifacts found on the island that date back to the Stone Age 6,000 years ago. Tourists also learned that 1200 years ago the Arawak Indians inhabited all the islands of the West Indies and were a peaceful people living under the guidance of their chiefs. 300 years after the Arawak first arrived on Saint Martin in the 1300s, they were defeated and forced to abandon the island by a hostile tribe of Indian originating in South America. This new tribe was called Carib. The Not true about Carib. The Caribbean Sea was named after them. Unlike the Arawaks, they do not permanent chiefs of leaders. Settle after except in times of strife. Uh, mhm. Time of strife. I think war. Time of strife, and they were extremely warlike. Worse, they were cannibalistic. Yes, it is not true. It's true. Cannibalistic, eating the enemy warriors they capture. In fact, they were war. Cannibal comes from the Spanish name of Carib Indians. The Spanish arrived in the 15th century. Unfortunately, they carried disease to which the Indians had no immunity. Spanish. Many Indians succumbed to common European illnesses, others died from the hard labor forced upon them. The sea was named after them. West Indies island hostile tribe Caribbean Sea was named after them. The sea was named after them. They were peaceful. Carib people have no permanent chief. The new tribe called Carib, the Carib, unlike they have no permanent chief. They are extremely warlike. Hmm. They settled after defeating Arawak. Yes, ये peaceful नहीं थे. According Carib Indians were finally defeated by sickness and forced labor. More aggressive Arawak tribe, Dutch company, French exposure, sickness and forced labor. According to article, present day Saint Martin belongs to the Spanish. Present day Saint Martin, Martin St. Saint Martin. 1300 years after the first arrival of Saint Martin, they were defeated, forced, abandoned, wild and hostile. Is independent by Dutch island, part of U.S. Virgin Island. Soon discovered ancient data found that island date back. Island is peaceful. अराबिक वाले थे बहुत पीसफुल. Sickness and force, they were peaceful. They were not peaceful. अरे ये कहाँ चला गया. 40 Crystal Caribbean St. Martin favorite vacation spot. Magnificent makes Caribbean St. Martin favorite popular North American during winter holiday December to two of them French and Dutch. DPSP, cottage equals security right to work, education, public assistance, certain cases. Correct. Madhvi Mudgal. Madhvi Mudgal. Kathak. यूपी मणिपुर उड़ीसी सत्रिया उड़ीसा. माधवी मुदगल. फंक्शन पंचायती राज. म्यूनसिपैलिटी लैंड पंचायत. रूल एस्टेब्लिश विक्रमशिला धर्मपाल. विक्रमशिला. फ्रांसिस्को निकोलस मेसी एंथोनियम. Revision needs. Incorrect. Way of life, code of conduct, set of principles to be adopted or practiced by people at large. Ashoka Damsin was the worship of God but condemned sacrifice. Neither. Krishnattam, famous dance. Krishnattam, famous dance. Dash division of cytoplasm. Eukaryotic cell into two daughter cell. Cytokinase. I think. Who was the founder of Asiatic Society of Bengal? Asiatic Society of Bengal. William Bentinck. I think Annie Besant. Who among the following sites provides earliest evidence of domestication element? Bhimbetka. 11th 5-year plan. Economic growth with the social justice, human development fast. Who has been appointed as the new head coach Indian men's cricket team July 24? Gautam Gambhir, Saurav Ganguly. Gautam Gambhir. Which incorrect cell wall is present animal? सेल वॉल तो प्लांट्स में होते हैं. बजट. यूनियन बजट हाईएस्ट एलोकेशन. सोलर, फार्मास्यूटिकल, न्यूक्लियर, एमजी नरेगा. River which are filled both melting of snow precipitation, river precipitation or melting perennial. Dash are formed when an opaque object comes in the path of light. Formed when opaque, translucent ray, shadow, mirror reflection. Which team won record 16th Copa American title? Which of the following festivals celebrated when the annual harvest takes place in Assam? Lori, Pongal, Magh Bihu, Makar Vilakku. Which of the following statement regarding Battle of Vandivash? Correct. Vandivash, Karnataka. Correct. Treaty of Paris, I haven't. Rajaji National Park, Rajaji, Uttarakhand. Who was awarded pen printer is Arundhati Roy. According to Lakshadweep is the dash UT with the highest literacy rate in India with the literacy rate 92.28%. Which state has topped in this category with Kerala 94? A century is not enough. A century is not enough. Saurav Ganguly, I think so. The first Indian Paralympian to win 2 medals at the Paralympic. 2 medals Paralympic. Deepa Malik, वरुण भाटी, देवेंद्र झांझरिया. देवेंद्र झांझरिया ये कहीं देखा है, सुना नाम ये पढ़ा है. Which of the constitutional amendment status to the municipalities? 73, 74. Okay, let's submit this. Okay, so 10 incorrect, 152 from 210 because I have attempted only section 2nd. 80% एक्यूरेसी। 80 से पता नहीं कभी बढ़ेगा कि नहीं बढ़ेगा मेरी एक्यूरेसी। 10 इनकरेक्ट, 7 स्किप्ड, और 7 ये सारे के सारे जीके हैं। और ठीक है, इम्प्रूवमेंट की ज़रूरत तो है। 210, 152 इम्प्रूवमेंट की तो ज़रूरत है सिस्टर। चलिए इम्प्रूवमेंट करेंगे। एग्ज़ाम हमारा है 18th, 19th एंड 20th जनवरी। प्रिपरेशन करते रहना है टिल द एग्ज़ाम डेट। अब पता नहीं रिज़ल्ट भी कब आएगा। रिज़ल्ट ने तो बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी कर रखा है। कभी फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ नवंबर, कभी लास्ट मिड वीक ऑफ नवंबर, कभी एंड वीक ऑफ नवंबर, कभी अब तो बोल रहे हैं फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ दिसंबर। बताओ, रिज़ल्ट दे देते तो क्या क्या ही हो जाता उनका। बस दे दे रिज़ल्ट जल्दी से जल्दी। आई वॉन्ट दिस। बस एक बार पता चले कि हम कट ऑफ के पार हैं या फिर कट ऑफ से बाहर है, पता तो चले बस। रो स्कोर तो 129.5 बन रहा है ओबीसी से। तो क्या करना चाहिए, एक बार पता चल जाए तो बस यार। आई रिक्वेस्ट कि जल्दी से रिज़ल्ट आ जाए। आंसर की अभी आई है एमटीएस वालों की। आप में से किस किस ने एमटीएस का एग्ज़ाम दिया था 2024 का? लेट मी नो। और अभी अभी ये भी सुनने में आ रहा था कि इसका एग्ज़ाम लीक हो चुका है, ऐसी न्यूज़ आ रही थी। बहुत सारे यूट्यूबर्स बना रहे थे। आंसर की इसकी दे दी, बस रिज़ल्ट भी दे दे तो बस बल्ले बल्ले हो जाए। पता चल जाए कि कहाँ पर हम स्टैंड करते हैं, आगे प्रिपरेशन करनी है नहीं करनी है। चलिए वाइंड अप करते हैं। आपको ये लेवल कैसा लगा? जीके का ठीक था लेवल, है ना? इजी टू मॉडरेट ही था, बट फिर भी कितना भी ठीक हो, इजी टू मॉडरेट लेवल ही था। चलिए अब वाइंड अप करते हैं। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तैयारी करते रहिए। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन। एंड जिसका भी आरपीएफ एसआई का एग्ज़ाम है उसके लिए भी बेस्ट ऑफ लक।